rooster says? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Toby, what does a sheep say? Baa. How about a rooster? What is it? A rooster says cock-a-doodle. Yeah, okay. What does the what does the kitty cat say? What does a kitty cat say? Meow. Meow. I don't know, I've never heard a cat say that. What does a sheep say? No, the sheep says baa. Say baa. How about a goat? Baa. Nah. Nah. Oh, you got a yawn? Toby, what does the sheep say? What does the lamb say? Yeah? I never heard that before. How about baa? Baa. 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 Say like a sheep. Baa. How about a rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay. And what about a... we know. Yeah. Okay, well, what does a sheep say? Bah. That's still a rooster, but what about a sheep? Does a sheep say bah? Bah. How about a kitty cat? Meow. 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 Yeah.